Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your iPhone volume buttons are not working, then we are here with some steps you can take to try and fix this issue. So let's get started. Now all you have to do is tap on the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on the sound and haptics and make sure that the sounds are not muted. For that all you have to do is drag the sliders to the volume as your personal preferences, and if it is muted then simply drag it or swipe it to the right. So after this all you have to do is go back to the settings app again. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on the control center. Here you'll have to include the voice or volume button on your control center, and it will be very easy for you to simply drag down the control center from the top right corner, and you can adjust your volume according to your preferences. So you can see there is a volume icon available there, and you can adjust it according to your preferences, by which you won't have any problem regarding the volumes. So now all you have to do is restart your iPhone and simply use it. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.